I'm going to show you the absolute best neck pain exercises, which take under a minute and without surgery. In this exercise, we're going to strengthen the stabilizer muscles of the neck. If you had neck problems, you've been guarding, certain muscles are working too hard, overcompensating, and other muscles are not working hard enough because they're weak and they're atrophied. This is going to strengthen the most common atrophied muscle of the neck and help you stabilize it. You'll need a tennis ball, put it underneath your chin, lie down on the floor or a bench or your couch or your bed, and then tuck that ball underneath your chin, and you're going to be holding up your neck for about 10 to 20 seconds, okay? And then you're going to relax the neck and do 3 sets of that once a week. This next exercise, we're going to flex the neck forward. It's called cervical flexion. So we're going to bring the head as far forward as we can. You'll take your hands, hold them at the back of your head. As far as the intensity of how strong you're going to resist, I would say 10 to 20 to 30%. Okay, we're going to go light. So as your head is in full flexion, all the way down to the range of motion, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to push against your hands going upward, okay? But you're not going to let your head go upward. You're just holding that resistance against the stretch for 10 seconds, okay? After you've done that, now you're going to press your chin into the upper part of your chest more, like you're going to stretch your head down further for about 10 seconds. And you're going to actually find that you're able to go a little bit further, okay? But again, do this lightly the first time because you could really get sore if you overdo it. And you're going to repeat this exercise 3 times. And now we're at neck rotation. Move your head to the right as far as you can, holding your chin, and then you're going to contract against your hand. Don't let your head move. Just add that muscle tension, okay? And you're going to hold that for 10 seconds. And then you're going to reverse the flow going in the opposite direction to try to contract your head further into the stretch. I would even help by pushing your head. I would let your head contract into the stretch for 10 seconds, okay? And then you're going to do that 3 times, okay, to the right. And then you're going to move your head all the way to the left. And then you're going to hold your chin while you contract against your hand, trying to pull yourself out of it at a mild or medium tension. Do that for 10 seconds. And then you're going to contract into the stretch, looking to the left as much as you can, okay? And you're going to do that for 10 seconds. And then you're going to just repeat that 3 separate times. The neck rotation technique is going to take a lot of tension out of your neck. And so you're going to really enjoy the flexibility that you're going to get from this exercise. All right, let's do the last one. Now we're ready for the extension exercise. That's where your head goes all the way back, okay? So you're basically going to take your head all the way back with your hands over your forehead. So there's resistance against this full extension. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to push against your hands, okay? So we're trying to bring our head out of this extension, but don't let your head do it. But again, do this in a very gentle way because the neck is fragile, okay? So you're going to do this for 10 seconds. Take a few seconds to relax, and then you're going to push your head back into extension. So we're basically taking the neck and trying to bring it back even further. You're going to find that it's going to go further, okay? And you can do that for 10 seconds. And then you're going to do 3 sets of that exercise, okay? So in summary, we're taking the neck into the in range of motion, going backwards, and we're causing a contraction going one way, and then the other way, and then one way and the other way, back and forth 3 times. And what this is doing, it's sending signals to the brain to let the brain know it's not dangerous to contract anymore. So you're going to find this is going to remove a lot of the muscle spasms in your neck. You'll have better range of motion, and then also information to the joints in the little facets in your neck to start to remodel. So there's more collagen, more alignment, less stiffness, and less arthritis accumulation. So I created this other video to get the maximum benefit from exercise, but focusing more on your diet in this video right here. So check it out right now.